friends at J247, happy J247 day to you! We're going to do a wonderful little exercise called Pierre in the Wild. I hope that you can join me for this little adventure, my friends. Are you ready? You're going to need 2 pieces of equipment. Number 1 is a pencil. You're going to need a pencil or a pen, something that you can write with anyway. Then you're going to need some paper. I like the paper with the lines on, but you can use whatever you wish, whatever is at home and available to you. We're going to go on a trip to Warnham Nature Reserve, and we're going to go bird spotting, my friends. Pierre in the Wild is bird spotting. Now, there are 3 birds that I would like you to keep your eyes open for as we go out and about today. Number 1 is the Blue Tit, a Blue Tit. Number 2 is a robin, and number 3 is a pheasant. Can you spot a Blue Tit, a robin, and a pheasant in this clip of my trip to Warnham Nature Reserve? Here we go! Have fun and keep your eyes peeled. Mwah! So this is the wonderful Warnham Local Nature Reserve. Welcome, welcome, my friends. I'm going to get a wriggle on so we get to this hide as quick as possible. Lovely field for walking through. I hope you agree. Here we are, we have arrived. Oh, quiet now. Shh, shh. Quiet at the back. Can you see the birds landing on the feeder? Look at them. If you have your paper, don't forget you can count how many birds you see in total. I would love to know how many you see. Can you see that one in the background? He's up, there he goes. Oh, and I go. In, out, in, out. And again. Hello. Come on, birdie. There we go. Now that, my friends, I think we can all tick off of our list Blue Tit, because we have all seen them in the bush, coming in to the feeder, just like that one. There we go. That's a pretty little Blue Tit. Wonderful. They're so fast, aren't they? In, out. I can't believe how fast they fly. I would not be able to do this, my friends. We have to stay very still and quiet. Otherwise we will scare them away. They're so very fast, aren't they? I wonder if we can have a little look around. Who's that on the floor? Ah, on the log. Do you see on the log? Who's that with the red breast? A little robin. Ah, look, he's on the floor, back. These long, skinny legs, look at him. Oh, what a lovely little fellow. He's there on the grass, behind the grass, on the dust, in front of the log, beside the feeder. Can you see? Ah, tick him off your list, my friends. Tick him off your list. Who else is here? More Blue Tits. Can we see anybody else who might be around here?
Who else is around? Let's have a look on the side. Can you see that? Shh, stay very still. Don't disturb him. Wow. That, my friends, is a very colorful bird. It's a pheasant. Can you see him? He's preening. Look at the colors on his head. Red, green, golden beak. Amazing. Amazing. What a treat to see him just right there. So close. What a lot of birds. We've done very well there, my friends. Have you kept count? How many have you seen altogether? Can you remember? Maybe have a little tally up on your sheet to see how many you have seen.
So, tell me, how did you get on, my friends? Did you spot the birds? Did you see the blue tit, the robin, and the pheasant? Did you see them? I hope that you did, my friends. Well done, and thank you for joining me on my adventure of Pierre in the Wild. Salut! Mwah! Happy J247 Day.
Here's what's coming up on the rest of the day here at J247 Day. At 4 o'clock, what happens next with Beth? Get involved in this fun game. At 5 o'clock, we're going to be having a look at what it's like in United as we have a chat with Fraser. At 6 o'clock, we're going to go behind the scenes of J247 and look at how this whole day has come together just for you. Have a great day and thanks for joining us at J247 Day.